Hello and welcome to part 2 of the WILESCO D40 Steam Traction Engine restoration, and it were quite a while since part 1 now, and here's the culprit. Really rusted, battered and neglected WILESCO Steam Tractor. I'd stripped it down in my last video, and in this one I was always going to make a screw up with this. I were in two minds whether to order a new one, and as events transpired I've ended up ordering a new one because I screwed up. Once I took this off, I thought, how does the piston come out? I tapped it on the mat without thinking it's a weak, fragile part and it's brass. They're not made as solidly as mammoths, and I broke the end, so I've ordered a new engine unit for it, which I was thinking about doing anyway, so it's no bad thing. And here I'm polishing one of the pipes to go through into the boiler, and here I forget which bit this was. Polishing another part, though I think it's a bolt or something. I'm just generally polishing parts in this one. Oh, that was it. It was the actual fixing rod for that bit that goes into the handle. I was polishing that. And there I've used JB Weld to fix it back on, and there's one part finished off, ready for refitting when we reassemble. Badoosh, into me box for completed parts. And here I'm polishing the whistle. Whistling the polish. Whatever. And there we are, that's another part complete. Just putting the fibre washer on it for when it's ready for fitting, and that in turn will go into a mini Ziploc bag and into my parts box. And this bit is the end of the boiler seal. I'm gonna give me boiler a descale with vinegar before I reassemble it, but I've got a few parts that are going in for vapor blasting, and they also do plating, so I may have some parts plated, I don't know yet. But here I'm cleaning off the boiler side glass. I may get a new sealing washer for that. I don't know whether you can get just the washer, but I don't see the point in getting the full lot if I can get just a washer. And there we are, another part into this parts box. And here we've got the steering shaft. It's got quite a liberal coat of rust, so I sanded it and polished it. It'll be getting a coating of oil anyway once it's assembled again. And there we go, that's the actual shaft done. And next my attention turned to the wheel. I've actually put teacup car polish on it, just to give it a quick polish up with a buffing wheel. I'm actually using a felt wheel here, a bit less likely to snatch. snatch? Who mentioned snatch? And there we go, another part. Fully assembled and into the box. And there's the actual gear at the other end of it. I give that a polish and a clean. And there's the last little bit. This is the chimney base. I'm just giving that a polish with some solvol. Anyway, here's where it first started. And that's the end of part 2. Just a quick update. And where we're heading with it, as you can see by this picture, it's absolute rust everywhere. So whatever happens, it'll be an improvement. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, that is. If you're subscribers already, thank you very much. And see you in my next video. Bye for now, folks. Tatty pie! Tatty pie!